In today's video, I'm going to be giving my first impressions on the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette from Morphe. This palette literally just came out today. Thankfully, I live about 5 minutes from my local Morphe store, so I went right when they opened. There was a line. I was a little scared that I wasn't gonna get a palette because I was probably like the, I don't know, 30th person in line. I was like, oh my gosh, and they were only letting 10 people in at a time, and people were grabbing like stacks of these palettes. But I got in, I got my palette, and I came home really quick, filmed this look. Now I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I thought about it. If you guys are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, my name is Christina, and I love to review and share new makeup with you guys. And I'm not a makeup artist, but I do love playing around with makeup, and I kind of have this shopping addiction when it comes to makeup, so why not share it with you guys? This palette retails for $39. I did also receive this cute little makeup bag because I purchased it in the store. Where is that little makeup bag? This is the little makeup bag that I received free for purchasing the palette, just like a cute little sparkly bag. I am such a big Jaclyn Hill fan, so I knew I had to get this palette. Even though I don't have the original OG Jaclyn Hill palette, I don't know why I never got it. Maybe I should, but I think these shades are more my colors. I love just bright, beautiful colors. I do love my neutrals, but something about color, it's just my thing. So I'm going to show how I created this makeup look, and it's just a voiceover of what colors I used and what techniques that I did to get this look. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you my final thoughts on it and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look and then my final thoughts on this palette, then just keep watching. To start this look off, I'm using the shade Dance Party, and I'm focusing that on the outer and inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just using tapping motions to get the color onto my eyelid, not blending anything out yet. And as you can see, this color is so pigmented, it's unreal, you guys. Then with no additional product, I'm just connecting those two together. Taking the shade Heart On, I'm putting that right on the top of that shade Dance Party and blending the two together. Taking a clean brush, I'm just really blending out that shade Heart On to make it nice and seamless and smoke it out a little bit. Taking this white concealer from Morphe, I'm going to be carving out the middle portion of my eye. And I love doing this trick where I just put it on the bottom eyelid, look up, and then it gives me the perfect roadmap to where it should start. And then I just blend it out to the shape that I want it to be. Now I'm gonna pack the shade No Joke to where we put the white concealer, and this shade is so pretty, you guys. That yellow, gorge. Taking the darkest shade in the palette, Temptress, I'm focusing that on the outer corner of the eye and really just blending it out and kind of winging it out to make your eyes appear more cat-like. This black shade, you guys, is so pigmented. Every color I've tried is just off the chain pigmented. Now I'm just gonna clean up those edges using a makeup remover wipe, and I had zero fallout on my face, you guys. Pretty amazing. Now I'm just going to do a wing eyeliner, throw on some lashes, do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Just kidding. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna start with the shade Heart On, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Crazy just on the outer parts of the eye and really blend that out. To finish this eye look off, I'm gonna be using the shade I'm In It. I was not expecting this shade to be so beautiful, but it's gorgeous, and it really made this whole eye look come together and just pop. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I am obsessed with how this look came out. I don't normally do such a bold look on my YouTube channel. I kind of save those looks for Instagram. I don't know why, but I think this palette is totally gonna make me bust out more colorful eyeshadow looks because I'm obsessed with how this came out, you guys. So going into this, I've kind of stayed away from Morphe eyeshadow palettes for the past few months because they just kind of have been sucking to me. They're just really hard to blend and the quality just hasn't been that great in my opinion. So I wasn't expecting much when it came to this palette, but I was blown away, you guys. The colors are super pigmented. Like, I'm blown away at how pigmented these colors are. I barely put my brush into these colors and the color payoff is just unreal. I think the last time I filmed a Morphe palette review, I just could not blend it out for the life of me. I was like, what is with this crap? I know Jaclyn Hill gets so much crap for pretty much anything she puts out there, and I'm sure there's gonna be tons of videos where people say this palette sucks, don't buy it, it's not worth your money, but I'm here to tell you guys it's worth the money. I've tried tons of Morphe palettes and this one is probably the best that I've tried. I'm sure with all the backlash that Jaclyn Hill gets, now anything she puts out, she probably makes it like 120% like bomb. So this palette is for sure Laugh, Love, and Hippie approved. I am just blown away by just everything about it. If you guys have been with me for a while, then you know that I do love to try a shimmer shade out of any of the palettes that I try out. This palette I did not. Well, I guess the inner corner highlight was a shimmer shade, and you guys, in the pan, it doesn't even look like this. Like, I was like, oh, it's gonna be nice and subtle, but I mean, look at this inner corner highlight. This is just blinding right now. As you can see, I'm pretty stoked on this palette. And it's a little bit early, so the coffee is flowing, you guys. And this palette is just so gorgeous, you guys. I really can't wait to try out all these neutral shades. You can definitely do a dramatic look like this or keep it on the more neutral side. There are tons of those colors, but I don't know, these three bottom rows are just everything to me. That's gonna wrap up this video. I really hope it helped you guys out. If you were on the fence about purchasing this palette or not, I highly recommend it. I know you would not be disappointed. If you are, then don't come at me. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you're going to get it, if you've purchased it already, what your thoughts are on it. I love talking makeup talk with you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.